Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these 2-pack under sink organizer that I love. I love these items to organize things. It is made of metal and it's a slide out sink shelf. So let me show you everything that I am showing you right now. It is what it includes in the box. It comes with a manual of instructions and all of these pieces. Believe me that this is very easy to put together. Okay, so you just have to follow the instructions in the manual. You just have to put these right here and then use these screws that I'm showing you with the screwdriver that also is included and this other tool. And then once that you have done this, you will start putting some other screws on the top part and these right here, so it can actually hold these tubes that you will be just attaching here with your hand. Okay, so this is how it will be done for all of the tubes that you're going to use. These are from one side and the other ones will be from the other side. Of course, all of these have to be tightened up with this tool, and you have to do this on the bottom part as well. So once that you have done this, you will have both sides with the tubes, which one of them is for the larger basket and the other one is for the shorter or smaller basket. You have attached these. You need to tie this part right here on the back, and these will keep the drawers from, this will prevent that the drawers can be removed from this shelf. So this is very nice to have. And these one are like a piece of plastic that you will need just to keep everything inside the basket and avoid any, and it doesn't go through the cells from the basket. Okay, so also it has some things, some plastic things that will attach to the surface that where you will be installing these. So here is how it looks before you organize everything, and this is how it will look like once you have organized your kitchen, your bedroom, wherever you want to install this. It looks really nice, a lot more spacious, and you can use both shelves. Besides, I love that it has a little wood material right here, and they are very, very nice to have. And the drawers don't come out all the way, so it is a nice thing to have, which makes these and makes these shelf much more stable than others.